Okay, question 12. A road sign has a perimeter of 2,400 centimetres. A scale version of this is printed on Roadside Weekly magazine. The scaled version has perimeter 30 and area 10. Given that it costs £20 per metre squared to make the sign, determine how much the sign costs. Okay, so here, I think a little diagram always helps. Okay, if we have the two versions, okay, mapped out. Okay, just have an idea of what's going on. So we told the perimeter of this road sign is 2,400 centimetres. Scaled version of it, okay, so similar version, will be similar in shape as perimeter 30 centimetres and area 10. So ideally then what we can do is work out the area of this large sign here using our scale factor idea. Okay, so we can compare perimeters here, right? Now we want to actually work out the area here, don't we? So we'll be using this area to work out the bigger area, so we want to make it bigger. So to make it bigger than the scale factor, we have, comparing these, we need the bigger fraction. So it'll be 2,400 divided by 30. Sharing these perimeters here, it'll be that divided by that. So when we work that out, the zeros go, and 240 divided by 3 then is 80. Okay, so that there is the scale factor, and that's the length scale factor. Okay, the length scale factor is 80, because perimeter, remember, is length. Okay, now we want to then work out the area. So if the length scale factor is 80, the area scale factor will be square of that, 80 squared. 80 squared is just 80 times 80, and 80 times 80, well 8 times 8 is 64, and add on 2 zeros. Okay, so 6,400. So if the area of this is 10, the area of this will be 6,400 times that. So the area then will be 6,400 times 10, which is 64,000 centimetres squared. Okay, now we have a little problem, of course, because they say then it costs £20 per metre squared to make the sign. Well, this is in metre squared, and we worked out our area in centimetre squared. So we need to change this now, metre squared to centimetre squared. So metre squared, if you remember, quite simply, to change that to metre squared is really easy. Just think about a metre squared, 1 metre squared, which is just 1 times 1, gives you 1 metre squared. But if we change that to centimetres, that'll be 100 centimetres there. And that would also equal 100 centimetres. Okay, so instead of thinking as 1 metre times 1 metre to give you 1 metre squared, working it out in centimetres, it'll be 100 times 100. And that would be 10,000 centimetres squared. So 1 metre squared is 10,000 centimetres squared. So when it says the cost £20 per metre squared, the cost will be £20 per 10,000 centimetres squared. Okay, so 10,000 centimetres squared, the cost is £20. But of course the area for us is 64,000, so we need to make this a little bit bigger, don't we? Okay, so first of all I would times it by 6. So that will give you 60,000 centimetres squared. So times this by 6, you get 120. So £120 for 60,000, but we need 64, don't we? So to get 64, we need another 4,000 here. So to get 4,000, maybe we need to work with this 10,000 here. Okay, so 10,000 is equal to £20. Then we could say 2,000 is equal to £4, yeah, because you're dividing by 5. Divide that by 5, so 2,000 is £4, that means 4,000 then is £8. Okay, so you could sort of scale it like that. So we've got 4,000 is £8, 60,000 is £120, so in total it should come to £128.